In previous video, we have seen the method in Java. In this video, it's the continuation that we are going to see about the topic method overloading. Method overloading is a feature that allows a class to have multiple methods within the same name but different numbers, sequence or type of parameters. In short, multi-method with same name must be different signatures. For example, the signature of method add int a, int b having two int parameters in different from signature of method. Add int a, int b, int c having the three int parameters. Advantages of method overloading. Method overloading increase the readability of the program. Different ways to overload the method. There are two ways to overload the method in Java. First one is by changing the number of arguments, and second one is by changing the data type. The number of parameters, by changing the number of parameters. As it clear from the name that there will be a different number of parameters in the overloaded method, which will decide which method to execute seeing the method call statement. Below is the method overloading in Java where number of parameters varies. Here you can see method 1 is add int int. Method 2 is add int int int. Method calling statement add 20 30 will execute the method 1 and the method calling statement add 20 10 20 30 will be executed the method 2. Method overloading by changing the number of parameter or arguments. Multiply. The method overloading in Java example is without parameters. Here we never give any parameter for this. The next one is method multiply int a int b. This overload method multiple with the two parameters. The next example they have given int a int b int c. This overload multiple method multiples with three parameters. These three examples change the number of parameters in multiply method. Likewise, you can add more parameters to overload more multiple method in same class. The data type of parameters. Here next way is changing the data types. In this type of method overloading in Java, the two Java method of class have same name and the number of parameters can be same or different, but the data type of parameters will be differ. Here you can see method 1 is add int int. Method 2 is add comma float. They have given the data type of int and float here. In method 3 they have given add float float. In the above method the method name is same but the data type of the parameter is different. So method calling statement add, they have given for float, they have given in a point value. So 2 comma 5.5 will be executed the method 2. Similarly add 7.5 and the 5.5 will be executed the method 3. Method overloading by changing the data type of a single or all parameters. Multiply int x int y. This method overloading in Java example has same data type for both the parameters. The next example is int x and float y. In this overload method, the parameters have different type. Int x, int y, float z. In this, the three parameters have different data type. These last two example of method overloading shows the different data types in parameters. You can make such combination to overload Java method multiply. Okay, you can see the example over here. Here we are changing the number of arguments. You can see the class name as adder. Then we have given the static int add. Int is the data type, add is the method. Here we have given int a, int b. Then open parenthesis, we have given the return a plus b. Next, we have given the another method, that is int a, int b, int c. That's the return value of a plus b and c. Then we have given the class name as test overloading. Then we have opened the function public static void main and string organs, the system dot outload print. Here we have given the class name dot add of 11 comma 11, and the same next output is adder dot add of 11 comma 11 comma 11. So the output will be, the first one will be 22, that the result value, it will go to the return a plus b. The next one is the return value will be 33. Now we will see the example for data type, changing the data type in arguments. Here you can see the same example. They have given the class, they have created the class as adder, and int they have given the int a, int b, return value is a plus b. Then they have given the another method, that is the static and double. They have given the different data type. Double, the method name is add is the same, and double a, double b, the return value is a plus b. Then they have closed that. They have opened the class name as test overloading to public static void main string arguments as the same. Then here they have given the system dot out dot println adder dot add of 11 comma 11. For the first output it will be 22, and for the second one 12.3 and the 12.6, the output will be 24.9. Thank you everyone. Hope you understand what is method in Java and the method in our method overloading from this video. Thank you.